The global technology industry has begun 2026 with a major shakeup. In just the first 40 days of the year, nearly 30,000 jobs have been cut across some of the world's biggest technology companies. This large-scale workforce reduction signals a major shift in how tech companies are operating the years of rapid expansion and aggressive hiring. Leading this wave of layoffs in Amazon, which has cut around 16,000 jobs, making it the single largest contributor to the layoffs so far this year. Salesforce has also reduced its workforce by nearly 1,000 employees, what industry observers are calling a relatively quiet restructuring. Meanwhile, Meta has trimmed approximately 1,500 roles as part of its ongoing efficiency-focused strategy. Beyond these giants, nearly 25 other technology companies have collectively cut more than 11,000 jobs, taking the total layoff count close to the 30,000 mark. Industry experts believe these layoffs reflect a broader recalibration happening across the global technology ecosystem. During the pandemic years between 2020 and 2022, tech companies expanded aggressively due to a surge in digital demand. However, as markets stabilized, companies began shifting focus towards profitability, operational efficiency, and automation. The increasing adoption of artificial intelligence and automation tools is also reducing dependency on large workforce sizes, pushing companies towards leaner and more specialized teams. For professionals and students planning careers in technology, this trend highlights a changing hiring process rather than a shrinking industry. Companies are now prioritizing highly specialized and impact-driven roles. Skills in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, cloud computing, data engineering, and product strategy are seeing strong demand. Experts say companies are increasingly looking for professionals who can combine technical expertise with business understanding and problem-solving capabilities. This layoff wave also reflects a larger reality of the modern tech industry. Job cuts are no longer isolated to struggling companies. They are becoming part of larger industry cycles. Even some of the world's most valuable and influential tech companies are restructuring to stay competitive in rapidly evolving markets. As 2026 unfolds, the message from the technology sector is becoming clear. The future of tech careers will depend heavily on continuous upskilling, adaptability, and the ability to work across domains. While layoffs create short-term uncertainty, the long-term demand for high-quality tech talent is expected to remain strong as technology continues to shape every sector of the global economy. This is a developing story, and the technology sector will continue to be closely watched as companies balance innovation, profitability, and workforce strategy in the months ahead. This is Neeta Samantrai signing off. You're watching Crazy Bites, news that impacts your education and career.